Assalamu alaikum students and good morning to all. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Students, this is your English class and in today's class we are going to do what is a sentence and how many types of sentences are there. We are going to look at each type of sentences in detail also with their examples. So, let's start. So students, it's our today's topic, sentences and its types. So first of all, we should know that what is a sentence. So sentence is a set of words that makes a sense and put forwards a thought. So students, what is sentence? Sentence is a set of words that when they are used, so they give a sense and a thought. For example, she is crying. So this is a complete sentence which is giving a sense. Second is hurrah, we won the match. This is also a sentence which is giving a sense and a thought. Then coming towards types, there are 4 types of sentences. The first is assertive sentence. Then the second is interrogative sentence. Then the third is exclamatory sentence and the last is imperative sentence. We are going to discuss them in detail. So students, the first type of sentence is assertive sentence. So what is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence is a sentence that asserts or declares something. So students, assertive sentence is that asserts or declares something. It is also called as declarative sentence. So students, assertive sentences are also called as declarative sentences. And one thing more, it always ends with a full stop. So students, assertive sentences are also called as declarative sentences and these sentences end with a full stop. For example, the first is the books are neatly arranged in the library. So you can see that it is declaring, it is asserting a meaning. That's why this sentence is called as assertive sentence. The second is Ali has an excellent collection of rare stamps. This is also an example of assertive or declarative sentence. As you can see, the full stop at the end. The third sentence is a group of dolphins is called a pod. You can see the full stop in the end and this sentence is indicating towards assertive sentence. So we can say that these are assertive or declarative sentences. So the next is interrogative sentence. This is the second type of sentence. What are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are sentences that ask a question. So that are known as interrogative sentences. It always ends with a question mark as it is defined that a question is asked in interrogative types of sentences. So that's why in the end of these sentences always we use question marks. For example, why is the baby crying? You can look at this sentence, a question is asked and there is a question mark in the end. So we can say this is the interrogative sentence. The next is when will you return from your vacations? You can see that the question is asked, so that's why it is indicating that these are interrogative sentences. Have all the cows returned to the shed? You can see that question is also asked again in this question. So these all sentences are indicating that these are the types of interrogative sentences as the question is asked in all of these sentences. So now the next type is exclamatory sentences. So students, what are exclamatory sentence? It portrays the strong emotion of a speaker. Portrays means that it shows, it expresses the strong emotions of a speaker. These are known as exclamatory sentences and it always ends with an exclamation mark as shown in the end of this sentence. These are known as exclamatory sentences. For example, superb, your project was excellent. Look at this, that after superb there is an exclamation mark and emotions are shown by speaker in this sentence. That's a brilliant idea. You can see at the end of this sentence there is an exclamation mark and an idea and emotion is shown in this sentence, which is showing that this is an exclamatory sentence. How badly he behaved with the teachers. You can see in the end there is an exclamation mark and this sentence is also indicating towards emotions, expressions. So this is also known as an exclamatory sentence. The next is and the last is imperative sentences. So students, what are imperative sentences? That expresses a command, order, request or suggestion. So students, those sentences in which there is any order, command, request or suggestion are known as imperative sentences. So there is one thing more, that this sentence ends with a full stop. Like that of assertive sentence, imperative sentences also ends with a full stop. For example, sit down quietly. You can look that there is an order, so it is the imperative sentence. The second is please lend me your books. Students, lend mean that give me. So please lend me your books. You can look that there is a request, so it is also an imperative sentence. The last is let's play a game. So these all sentences are indicating towards that they all are imperative sentence. So students, in today's class we have learned that what is sentence and what are the different types of sentences, and we have discussed them in detail. So I am sure that now you have got the concept of sentences. Thank you for watching.